Hello. Been a while. Haven't made any videos on this channel for a long time, but I've been still enjoying the van life and get out and about. We're at Stonehenge. Look at that fella down there sat on top of his van. I don't know if you can see him, I'll zoom in a bit. Stonehenge looking busy. Few campers here. Stone's over there. Anyway, I wanted to introduce you to our new van. Those who have watched the channel know I had a couple of Talbots before, but we got rid of the little van because it's just getting too much, not being able to stand up, and we wanted something we can shower in, so we got this old girl. Lovely old van, 32 years old. Been away in it a few times already. I thought we'd give you a show around. Right, I'm going to start with the outside. It's a 1992 Talbot Express Auto Homes Harmony, and it's got a few rusty little bits that need sorting out. But the underneath of the van's solid, and all the seals and everything, so it's just a few external bits to sort out. This one, it's a 2-litre petrol, and it comes with factory fitted power steering, which transforms these vans. Anyway, on the outside we got the vent for the water heater, the Carver Cascade 2, which runs on gas, or if you're on hookup it will run on electricity, and it's a 2-gallon tank, so it gives you enough for a shower, which is great. Got electric hookup this side, fridge vent, and that's the water inlet. It's got an 80-litre water tank, it'll last you a good few days. And on the back got a bike rack. We don't have bikes, but it's handy for when we're at beaches or whatever, for hanging towels or even clothes to dry on. Big step on the back. Moving around this side, down here we have the toilet cassette door. It's got a Thetford flushing electric toilet on there. An awning, which we're likely not going to use, to be fair. We don't stay on a lot of campsites, we wild camp most of the time. Moving around the front, it's Jackie, sat there enjoying the view. I'll show you the inside in a minute. And round the front there's not really that much to see. Bonnet needs repainting, which I will be doing. I have, since I've owned it, worked on a lot of the mechanics already and sorted them out. It's had new points, it's had new plugs, new distributor cap and rotor arm, new leads, new filters, oil change. It was running a little bit rich and not too good down at idle speeds, but after changing all the filters and servicing it, it's now running as sweet as a nut. 2-litre petrol engine, but it's got a Weber carb on it, not the carb that came with the Talbot Express, so it's a little bit pokier, and it actually cruises at 70 miles an hour, which I'm really happy about. Right, let's move on to the inside. Right, coming on to the inside, I shall hand the camera to Jackie and I'll show you around.
Thank you very much.
Right, inside the van is everything you need.
Let me stand up.
Only this one doesn't have an oven. Our old one like this used to have an oven, but that was a Talbot Express Camelot and it was a bit older. But this one doesn't have an oven. But at the front here,
hang on, I need to move. Let me sit down here.
at the front here we have 2 captain seats, which both spin round like this. But I prefer the bench seat configuration over there, so I don't use this one. And when you use these seats, you can spin them around, and that's a double bed that you can make there, but it then becomes a king size plus bed, which is really big and comfy.
We don't feel we need it though, do we? We just make this bit up.
No.
And we're right on this, aren't we?
Yep. Right. Let's go into the back. So right at the back.
Hang on, let me get your head in. There we go.
Right at the back, we have our Zig unit at the back, control unit, which is all the 12-volt stuff and the main stuff. I've converted all the lights to LEDs. There's not really much more to say there. Got an extractor fan, very noisy, which I've changed because the bearings go.
And that's in here.
Yeah, and it extracts above the cooker. Extracts all the fumes out, so that's good. Turn that noisy thing off.
Shut that back up. Well, that's where we keep our mugs. Well, 3 of our mugs.
We've got storage up here. The essential Jaffa cakes.
Absolutely.
Storage in there. Storage there for various stuff as well, mainly drink stuff. More storage there for cups. At the back, down below, we've got the fridge, which is a 3-way fridge, which is at the moment running on gas and running really well. We've got a little storage cupboard for under the sink there. Let's move this water bottle. We'll show you the sink setup and tea towel. So we've got a nice sink and draining board. The tap flips up like that. We've got hot and cold running water. And gas cooker and a grill, which works really well for toast.
Super fast grill.
Super fast toast, yeah. Like within 2 minutes you've got real nice toast. So that's handy. There's a double burner as well. Here we've got a knife and forks and utensils drawer. Plenty of room for all that. Under here we've got storage, which is our main food cupboard.
We've got all our cleaning stuff down there.
But the fridge is packed with food as well. And yeah, all cleaning stuff and rubbish bags and stuff like this. Now check this out.
Yeah.
Point the camera at me. Check this out. Not many people got these in their vans anymore. We have a cocktail cabinet.
Ta-da!
But we use that for plates.
And let me get a better view of that.
Plates down the bottom.
So it's got little holders for your glasses, and then you can put your bottles down there underneath, but we keep our plates in there.
Yep, handy bit of storage there. Right, now coming back, we've got the bathroom. I'll grab the camera. So we have a vanity unit, a vent, the shower's there. So nice to have a shower in the van. Really got fed up with showering outside the van. Again, changed to LED lights. Depth flushing toilet down there. The shower tray down the bottom. So moving back, we've got more storage. Lots of storage in there. Various bits and pieces. We've got a wardrobe here.
Let me come round.
So got quite a bit in there as well. Got spare clothes and other bits and pieces.
We keep them all in boxes at the moment rather than hang them up.
Yeah. And down the bottom is our gas cupboard, which currently has 2 907 camping gas bottles, but I'm going to change them to the 3.9 kilogram propanes, because apparently Calagas are going to start doing them again. So I'm going to convert that over to the 2 bigger bottles.
Oh.
Right, going backwards.
Backwards.
Right,
After
lights. This is one of the old lights, which was already in the van, but this one runs on hookup when you're on mains electricity. So we haven't used that yet. Now up here I've fitted a 12-volt socket, which powers our new 12-volt smart TV. I fitted quick charging USB 3.0 USB ports, 4 of those, so we can charge all our devices nice and quick. Solar panel, I've put a 100-watt solar panel on the roof, semi-flexible one, and I've installed this Bluetooth PWN solar controller, so I can keep an eye on everything through my phone. It lets me know how much power I've taken in the day and all sorts. But these are quite cheap, but they're very, very good controllers for PWN controllers. Highly recommend those. Bouge RV. They're a German company, but they really seem to have got it right with that. So, what am I missing?
Oh, one thing we hadn't got. Every van that we've had like this so far has had bits missing. This van has had absolutely everything. So if you did want to have someone else come in, we've got all the boards. So these boards slide all the way out to here, and then you can have another bed. But we're not telling anyone about that.
Yeah, it's very rare that they've still got the boards in. The boards have got the mattresses built in as well.
Yeah.
This is all foam.
We're not telling anyone about that. We're keeping that quiet.
You know, you can fit 2 adults up there at a push, but it's mainly for
And you've
kids.
redone all these lights as well, haven't you?
Yeah, every single light I've converted to LED. Even this little spot lamp.
Oh, hang on. Sorry, people, if I turn around too quickly.
Little spot lamp, which this wire is the aerial from my little portable radio there. But yeah, even that, brand new LED lamp. Now up here, these are the table legs.
There's one there.
Got one each side.
Turn around slowly, because there's nothing worse than going around too quick. There's one there. One table lives in this cupboard.
Yep, that's in the edge there. Clips in.
And then the other one is down here. And they're so easy to put up, so we just normally have one here when we have dinner.
And there's three sockets in the floor. 3 sockets in the floor.
There's one underneath that one.
This.
And then there's one.
So we can have we can have 2 people dining on 4 seats, or we can have a centre table. The tables also come out and fit in between these to make up the double bed. Yeah, so up here we've got the controls for the water heater. That's for gas. And down there is for when you're on hookup and you've got electric. So up here is the controls for the Propex gas heating, which is burnt outside, so you can have it on all night. The vents are down here.
Very important, carbon monoxide alarm. Everyone should have one of those in their van.
The vents for the heater came out here, and they direct that way, so you can have the heating on all night. It is quite noisy though, so I'm going to replace it for a diesel heater at some point. Now this seat here,
hang on, let me stand outside. I can get a better view of you. Reverse. Oh my god.
Right, this seat here you can have as a single seat configuration like this one, or you can have it as a bench seat like this, and I prefer to have it as a bench seat. So to make the bed up, you just move your mat out of the way. It's quite easy this way. This one unplugs out to there, same as the other one. Ow.
Oh, careful. You don't do that when you do it.
They clip in, and the tables come out. And this one out, and fit in there. Oh, let's flip that one over there.
You're going to get the other table out.
And then you get the other table out.
Well, we're going to do a full bed setup. Ta-da!
That one fits in there. So that cushion goes like that. That cushion goes like that. And this cushion comes out.
It's a little bit of a faff, but it's not too bad.
And this cushion comes out.
We've had worse, haven't we?
And they turn around that way. Yeah, the Camelot was terrible, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a nightmare.
And this one's quite easy. And then these go in together.
Oh. They all shoot out the door.
And there's your bed.
And we fit right across that.
Yeah, and I can sleep slightly bent up, but comfortable. And I'm 5'9", so it's quite a nice bed. And we sleep this end with our pillows.
It depends where we park, doesn't it? Which way we're leaning slightly.
Yeah, but it's quite a comfortable bed as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not too bad.
But as I say, you can spin the front seats round. and lay them flat. And there's another board that comes out, which is stored under this cupboard here.
Goes in between there.
Fits in between there, and then it becomes a king size plus bed, which is huge. But we don't bother with that.
Nope.
Look, yeah, look.
Oh, he's going to demonstrate.
I'm laid out flat now, and it's quite comfortable. Lovely bed. Anyway, that concludes our tour of our new camper. And like I say, we've already had many adventures on it.
I think we went out the first weekend we got it, didn't we? Just
yeah.
Off we went. We didn't have any of this in. You hadn't had any of the solar in yet, had you?
No, I put all the solar on, and brand new 110 volt leisure battery. But I have bought an eco-worthy lithium battery, which I'm going to install, but I'm going to do that on a separate video. And a diesel heater as well. I'm going to reinstall that, and then that's all the improvements done. Yeah, anyway, hope you like the new van, hope you like the tour. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. But I'm back making videos. We're going to focus more on using the van and travelling around, showing you new spots and new places to go, especially historic towns. We like that.
We love it, don't we?
Eating out and stuff like that. So hopefully you'll join us on our journey. See you soon.
Bye.